Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone font size guys. How can we change? Friends, we want to change guys your Infinix phone by phone font size. So how can you change and how can you use it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, then first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we change Infinix phone font size. So we will on and we will search here guys font size. So I search here guys font and friends search here and friends you can see guys your Infinix phone guys font size guys we will tap here to change it. So once you can see font size we will tap here to change. So once you can use guys your font size setting and left side is small, right side large. So we will change into large size. So once you can see guys your font size will change. So like that guys we can change guys our Infinix phone guys font size. So I hope friends you understood how to change font size in Infinix phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching.